Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to give yourself vitamin B12 shots. First, confirm your prescription and dose with your provider and read label instructions carefully. Prepare a clean workspace, wash your hands, and lay out vials, syringes, and bandages. Inspect the vial for clarity and expiration, and verify the correct concentration. If you have any uncertainty, contact your clinician for guidance before proceeding with injection steps. Now prepare for the injection with calm focus and steady hands. Clean the injection site, typically the upper thigh or outer buttock, using circular motions from center outward. Draw the prescribed amount into the syringe, tap gently to move any air bubbles to the top, and expel them carefully. Double-check the dose against your prescription and make sure the needle and syringe are sterile and sealed until use. Perform the injection with confidence and controlled movements to reduce discomfort. Pinch or stretch the skin as appropriate, insert the needle at the correct angle, and inject the medication steadily over a few seconds. Wait briefly before withdrawing the needle to prevent leaking, then apply a small adhesive bandage and gentle pressure. Monitor the site and overall feeling for 30 minutes for any signs of adverse reaction, and keep your used syringes in a proper sharps container.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.